Welcome to Bitcoin, the Bible, and BIP39, a great piece of software created just for you. First of all, thank you for purchasing the software. We look forward to helping you be able to create the things you need to create. The purpose of the software, of course, is being able to hide your 12 or 24 mnemonic words that you have formed for your seed phrase within the context of the King James Bible. The second purpose of the software is being able to choose those words, including the 12th or 24th word, referred to as the checksum word. Now, once you have those words and in the correct order, you can use your own hardware device to create the following items: your master key, your private key, and your public address. So here's a short introduction to how the process works. You basically have, whenever you own Bitcoin, you're securing that on the blockchain. And by securing that on the blockchain, the way you have access to that information is by having either a 12, 18, or 24 word mnemonic phrase that's generally created by a piece of hardware that chooses those words for you. But you can technically choose your own words. You can choose your 12 or 24 words. Those are what's most commonly used. And you can choose those yourself. Most people don't, but if they could, they would. And this software allows you to do that. So if you were going to use a 12-word Bitcoin address, those 12 words must be in a specific order, and you can choose all 12 of them. The first 11, of course, are chosen by you. The 12th word out of a 12-word mnemonic set must come from a predefined set of remainder words, if you will, called the checksum word. And from those words, they create the mnemonic phrase, which creates your master key, which is derived from that seed phrase, and what creates the private keys and addresses. Those private keys is like the password that lets you access the blockchain accounts and approve those transactions. What the public sees is the public address. It also creates that where you receive your crypto. It's kind of like an email address for all your payments. Now, as you can see on the screen, here's a fictitious, and I repeat, fictitious Bitcoin address. So what happens is you've created those 12 words, and they come from that 2048 English words called the BIP39 word list. It's a standard system used throughout the world to create your seed phrase for your crypto wallet. And it turns those words into a seed phrase. And what's really nice about it is that all those words are standardized throughout the industry. They start with the word abandon, as you can see here, abandon as the first word, referred to as word 0, and goes all the way through the Z's, with zoo being the last word. Now, there are a set of rules that you have to follow that allow you to pick those words. Those rules we'll talk about more in the software, but that's the idea. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into that system here shortly and show you a little bit more about that. We look forward to you in the next video system.